Hey guys, welcome back to the Pink Envelope. I am back with Yuzen box. It's been a very long time since I opened one of these and they sent me one, so I wanted to share it with you guys. They are a Zen subscription box featuring clean products. Some are beauty, some are detoxing. It's a variety and it's a surprise each time. They have monthly boxes, which they've always had, are $35 a month. Now they have quarterly boxes. I don't know how long they've had those, but I think it's cool. So you can get 4 boxes sent each season. So you have 2 options to sign up for. Let's dive inside. So as always, a little card on the front greeting us and telling us a little bit about what's in the box and who they are. Inside breaks out the brands that they work with. I'm not going to look at a lot because I like my box to be a surprise. So there you go. Alright, let's see if we can keep these peanuts from flying away everywhere. Oh, this is actually going to be easier because it's a bat holding all the products. Yay! It's kind of windy out here today. I just couldn't stay inside any longer. We finally got beautiful weather here. So, this is what was inside. So remember, this box is $35 and all of this is in there. We've got an Skin Cell Nutrients Essential Cleaner, Beyond Organic Body Wash for toning skin. This one says it's got apricot in it. This is Natural Skincare with Rose Lavender Facial Toner for brightening. Z-Skin Hydroxy Face Mask. Mindful Anti-Aging Eye Serum in Primrose and Lavender. I bet that smells so good. Kukui Cocoa Body Butter. God, that's a ton of stuff. And Skin Cell Nutrients Essential Exfoliant. And Defying Milk Chocolate with Toffee and Sea Salt. So as I said, all of these are cream product. They're organic, they're green, they're whatever their featuring is, because they only do clean beauty in this box. You can go through and try things out. These are all sample size. And then, let me grab this guy again. The items that you fall in love with, you can go get more. So let's say I like this Z-Skin. I can go to the website and use this coupon to place the order for a product I already know I love at a discount. So it's pretty cool. So if you want to add Zen to your life, you want to discover more beauty and clean beauty at that, you just want to try without having to dive into full size for $35. Every month you can try some, or every quarter. Yuzen box, this is really, really cool. Thank you for sending it over. I will link up things as always so that you guys can check out the details. As I use these products, I'll come back and update you on my thoughts. Alright guys, I hope that you have a fabulous day and we'll see you guys later. Bye y'all.